This is Gabriel Zamora for PCMag, giving you a recap of the fantastic IGN Live show over the weekend. From June 7th to June 9th, 2024, IGN hosted a great video game showcase featuring awesome presentations, hands-on game stations, and more. I want to share some highlights for those of you who couldn't make it out to see it. I will absolutely be coming back next year. The stage floor was your first stop at IGN Live, and this entire zone is a highlight. You are greeted by the stage floor as soon as you enter the venue. This area is a hotbed of traffic thanks to IGN's near-constant swag giveaways, photo ops, cozy gift shop, and extensive schedule of exclusive presentations. The game room is our next highlight. Just across the hall from the stage floor is an expansive room packed with upcoming games, recent releases, and arcade classics. We got hands-on with many of these fresh titles over the weekend, but always made our way back to the arcade area to enjoy some Pac-Man, Marvel vs. Capcom 2, and Time Crisis. If you needed to take a load off, IGN set up a theater room on the second floor. This is where all the panels and additional game presentations took place, like the Xbox Showcase and the live Phantom Blade Zero demo. IGN had an excellent show prepared for attendees, so whether you came for one day or for the entire weekend, chances are there was something for you to enjoy at IGN Live. I thoroughly enjoyed my time here, and I look forward to seeing what the IGN team cooks up next year.